Airplane 3. So, okay, my friends are in here, so let's play. Okay, I play this a lot of times and also win. So let's play now. Whoa, the door is closing. Whoa, we're teleporting, guys. Okay. Whoa. There's a soldier in here. Secret mission, secret mission. Old Pepper said secret mission. Bro, move. That's my seat, not yours. Bro, move. Let's sit in here, bro. Welcome, everyone. Okay, welcome. You're probably wondering why I gather you guys here. Yeah, you're wondering. Why you have soldier where you are? What are you saying, bro? So guys, this soldier's name is Poncho. Think General Poncho, that's the name. Yeah, he won Magma won this 4 times. Me too. A lot of times. Okay. After breaking. Okay, after breaking. Oh look, General Poncho. His name is General Poncho. Yeah, we are serving, bro. Poncho, we are sitting. But you're standing, we're sitting, you're standing. That's not our fault. Okay. Oh, I can move, bro. I can jump. I'm jumping, but I can't. Okay. So this is our mission. We have to kill this guy. I think that. Yeah, to kill him. This is our target, yeah. His name is... What? Wait, Ronald is the president. Bro, General Poncho, Ronald is the president. What? Ronald is the president? Guys, you know, in the second part of our Airplane 2, Ronald is the president. Now Ronald is the criminal? What? Ronald is the president of Robloxian States. I think that's the name. Okay. So we have to kill this guy. Our mission... Yeah, our mission is to stop Ronald, guys. So we have to stop. Okay. We'll find Ronald. Okay. Okay, bro. So, okay. Open this door. Open this door. Bro, open this door. Poncho, open. Oh, yeah. Okay. You're a nice guy, bro. Whoa, wait. Oh, it's going there. I'm going here. I don't want to go there. There's no jump scare in there, but I'll automatically teleport. So I don't want to go there. So I can teleport away. Can't teleport. Guys can. So look, I just teleported. I'm going to... Whoa, look guys. Yo, I'm in here and they are going down. Nothing happened of this. Nothing will happen. So that's no problem. Let's jump. Okay, we have to jump. Wait, guys. If that stop, we'll jump. Oh, yeah. Stopped! Yay! So fast. You have to select the suits. $400? I'm selecting the blue one because my team is on blue. Okay. We have the blue team. I think that's the girl side. This is the boy side. So we are the boys. Some pilots are in the plane. Oh, don't fall from here. If we fall, that's it. The game ends. Oh, the game ends. Okay. How'd you go there? Ponjo, go far. Sorry, go slow. Whoa. So we have to go here. Then, wait, guys. Whoa. Go to. Bro, where did you? I spent my Robux. Why did you do that? Bro, he just. Bro! I just spent my Robux! Bro! You're making me mad. I just spent my Robux for that. Oh my gosh. I just spent Robux. Whoa. I just spent Robux. Oh, the sun just gone. To revive him. To revive. Oh, sorry. Sorry, guys. Whoa. What's this? REVIVE. To revive him. Bro, the sun just gone. I just spent Robux to revive him. Spend Robux to revive him. Just spend Robux to revive him, bro. No way, bro. So should we go? Yeah. Yeah, forget. Okay, the sound is back. The music is back. Whoa. Okay, it's filling. The fuel is filling. Tank. Bro, why? I just spent Robux. But she didn't revive. Bro. I just spent Robux for nothing. There's a 30 in here. Oh, this is Pilot Car, guys. And I think that is his assistant. I don't know. Please start the engine pilot. Okay, they're starting the engine, guys. Pilot clock is starting the engine. Okay, engine is ready. Where am I at? Oh, there's whoa. Hey, we have to take that 30. I don't know. Whoa. Bro, what are you doing? Why are you shaking your hand? What are you doing? Wait. Bro, Magma, what? He also leave. I'm alone now. No problem, guys. I'm always alone. Yeah, guys. What he's doing? Bro, what are you doing, bro? I'm alone now. Why? Poncho. Whoa. There's some bananas in here. Yay. I'm starving. I want to eat that banana. I'm starving, bro. Okay. Oh. Where's the plane flying? Look. I think that's the clouds. Oh. Okay. What? Jaro. What are these bananas for? Oh, it's for each. Oh, I thought you could be. Yo, banana. Yay. I'm starving, bro. I'm starving. We need the energy for leather, yeah. We need that. Look. I can see the airplane. Wait, don't need that. What? What, bro? I know it's a lie. Because I play this sometimes. Bro, I said what? I know it's a prank. I know that because I played this so many times. I'm sorry, I just had to do it. Oh my gosh. Whoa, what's that? Wait. Oh. I can't see everything in here. It's a nice plane, guys. Okay. You're going to sleep. Yeah. Whoa. It's raining, I think. Yeah, it's raining. Bro, it's raining. Oh, what a nice rain. Oh, also the thunderstorm in here. What a nice rain. Thunderstorm, yeah, you're inside a storm. Whoa, look, it's shaking. Whoa. Yo, it's on fire, bro. It's on fire. What we do now? Does that mean we'll die? Bro, don't kill us. Poncho, do something. I say I think suicide thing because I know everything. I want to spoil that. So we'll go to here. This is the rooftop. Look, we are at the top of this plane. That's the fire at the storm and gas going worse. Yeah, but how we are at the top? There's no oxygen in here. There's no oxygen, bro. What are we doing? Hey, Poncho! Whoa. Hey, Poncho! He's still alive? What? Bro. Oh my gosh, the thunderstorm. Whoa. Let's stand here. Okay. Whoa! I want to get that. Whoa! This is a nice rain. Yeah, this is a really nice rain, guys. Oh my god. Oh no. It's getting worse now. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't get caught by the thunderstorms. Whoa, the motor is fixed. Bro, you're still alive? You are down there. Whoa. What he's doing? Whoa, 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 whoa. Yo, he's sus. Ponjo is sus. Sus. What the? Yeah, I already know this. A big skeleton. So a big skeleton. This is a big skeleton. That's a fire, guys. That's a fire. We have to go down. So we don't get far. Okay. I think the fire is gone. Yeah, it's gone. Look. Guys, the fire is gone. It's safe now. Whoa. Oh, I thought I can't move. Okay. Never mind. Let's keep moving. Yeah. Let's keep moving. Bro, I want to go to that pilot room. The controlling room. What's next? Oh, we are finally here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. We're finally at the plane, guys. The hijacked plane. Pay close attention. Okay. We'll sneak through the back door. Okay. We're going to that plane, guys. But it's hard to go. The flying plane. The objective is getting the plane. So, how to get in that plane? Oh, guys, I can see the pilots out there. So, guys, we are on the plane. Look, bro, Ponjo, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing? It's a bug, guys. It's literally a bug. Yo, Ronald. I want to do this my whole life. Oh no. We better hurry. Yeah, we better hurry, guys. Or he'll kill us all. Okay. Oh, we have to find a hammer. Yeah. We have to find a hammer that's literally in here. Hey, I'm in here. Yo, Ronald, bro. Ronald, what are you doing? Are you out of your mind? How did you get here? Ronald, don't go there. We have to arrest you. There's no time to go after him. So what we do? Okay, we are going to save the plane, guys. Oh. Find something. Okay, we have to, okay? Like this, guys. Just click on that noobs. So they'll be free then. If you just click on them. They'll be free. Both of them are free right now. Yeah. Yeah. So Ronald is in this room, the captain's room. Great. But there is still one left. What? The captain. Oh, okay. Okay. Bro, the rain is getting worse, bro. Bro, I can see the rain. I can hear the sound, but I can see the rain. Bro, there's no rain in here, but I can hear the sound. There's only bugs in this game, bro. Whoa, what's that? What are you going to do? Alright, we trust you. 904. Okay. Ronald, open the door. Ronald, open the door. Whoa. Release him, bro. Release him. Or we'll arrest you. Ronald, let the captain go. Yeah, let the captain go. You don't understand anything. What? You're running my plans. Running my plan. Listen to what I'm going to say. Yeah. What is wrong, Ronald? Say what is wrong, Ronald. Say it. Don't say that. Don't say that. No way. Oh no. General, the captain room is burning. Yeah, it's burning. There's no time. The plane is about to explode. Whoa, bro. Take this parachute. Where? Okay, take the parachute. Now what? What about Ronald and the captain? Yeah. What about Captain and Ronald? What about you? We need to leave or we'll not make it out alive. Okay. Oh no. But we are surrounded by fire. You're surrounded by fire, guys. Whoa. Jump! Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Yo, there's the plane. Bro, I can see the plane, bro. Look at the plane. Oh my gosh. I'm going to land on that plane. Wait, yes, I'm going to land on that plane. It's floating, right? Oh no, it's not floating? Guys, it's not floating. Yo, it's not general point Joe. Okay, the pilots are here. Guys, this is not general point Joe. Who is this guy? Wait. What is happening? Oh, that's general point Joe. Oh, you want the teddy? Here, take this teddy. I just got a secret anywhere. Sniff, sniff. What? The secret any? I didn't know that. What is this teddy bear? Thank you. It's just like one of my teddy. Don't listen to that. Don't listen to that. Oh, okay. She's a nice girl. Okay. She's young, I think. I promise I'll product word from bad guys like Ronald. Okay, nice. That's me, guys. Look at me. My name is Kit. What the? I know a guy named Kelly. Bro, the Kelly is in Airplane 2. She's the pilot and also the secret agent. Okay, we won. Guys, we won. Yay. So guys, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.